Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my workshop. Matt is here. But he doesn't have laptop. Okay. Today my workshop titled Embedded Ruby Revolution, a hands-on workshop with PicoRuby. My name is Hasumi. My name is Hitoshi Hasumi. You can call me Hitoshi or Hasumi. Both are okay. And I am a creator of PicoRuby, and I am a very small contributor to CRuby and MRuby. And I am a member of EuRuKo maintenance team of CRuby. Here's what we do today. First, introduction to PicoRuby, and I'll show some quick demo. In total, I think it will take 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then the rest of time will be hands-on workshop, your time. It includes LED blinking, sensing temperature, using LCD display, character display, then all work together. I wrote the materials to include basic training of microcontroller along with PicoRuby. So please enjoy this time. Before that, I'd like to download a file from now because it is possible that the Wi-Fi connection would be problematic in this situation, right? As you know. So you will be using the binary file from after 10 minutes from now, but please download from now. It will take time, maybe. Okay, the address is github.com/picoruby/r2p2/releases. Please open that page. And you'll find release version number 0.30, which I released yesterday. It includes Prism as a parser. It will be a big achievement for me. And you can download here. R2P2 Flash, whichever you like, but I think zip file will be easy. Okay. But you will have time. So let me introduce the PicoRuby. What is PicoRuby? It is a smallest Ruby implementation for microcontrollers based on MRuby's VM code designed by Matt himself. So far, PicoRuby is target RP2040 microcontroller. Then now parser is Prism, merged this week, and they released yesterday. It was the parser used to be my own parser before, but now it is Prism, so almost fully compatible with CRuby on microcontrollers Ruby. It is amazing, right? RP2040 and the Raspberry Pi Pico. About it, Raspberry Pi Pico is microcontroller board. This MCU is RP2040, including Cortex M0 Plus Dual and 264 KB of RAM and 2 MB flash ROM. Such kind of microcontroller, we don't use any OS in general, so-called bare metal. We're going to run PicoRuby on bare metal microcontroller. And Pi Pico is completely different from Raspberry Pi, so-called single board computer. Raspberry Pi generally uses Linux or ARM Windows as an OS. but we don't use OS today. So let me show you quick demo. This is Raspberry Pi Pico installed PicoRuby R2P2. And this is a terminal emulator. So I need to detach the cable and attach the cable again. So this is PicoRuby R2P2 shell. R2P2 shell is a kind of Unix-like shell. So you can use some Unix-like command like pwd. Now I'm at home, and ls. There's no file so far. You can make a directory. Make dir my dir ls my and my dir and touch my dir my text ls my dir my dir. This kind of hyphen L is broken. Then R2P2 has IRB command. IRB command is a REPL of Ruby, so you can use Ruby on it. Test hello world. Hello world, and you can do things like times do this hello, and 3 times it feels. And what is awesome is about IRB. This IRB has a multi-line editor like series IRB, because I'm a maintainer of IRB. You can edit the previous command like this. Hello. And next, I'll show you some microcontroller relating demo. What is? Okay. Let me show you some analog to digital converter demo. ADC, new 26 pins connects to this temperature sensor. You will use after the demo. ADC read. This is the voltage of the current voltage of the sensor. You will know what does the voltage mean later, but for now, just know this kind of you can confirm the hardware's manipulation in this form using IRB incrementally development. Incremental development is the key feature of PicoRuby, I think. Next, I'll require a QM. So And the code will be, let me paste. Not that, you cannot paste multiple lines, so LCD print hello print let me hit enter. Hello. Oh. And, oh, thank you. Break line. This sends line break code. Hello. Print Bosnia and Herzegovina. Oh, yes, it's working. Thank you. Yeah, that's all for today for me. What you saw in the demo, Unix-like shell running on Raspberry Pi Pico, and you can use some commands like cd, ls, make dir, and IRB. In IRB, your Ruby snippets compiled into mruby VM code and executed on the fly. If you will learn about this maybe hands-on 5. If you put app.rb file in home directory, it will be executed automatically on startup. I'll show you. This is app.rb, which calls this amount of Ruby script. And I will drag and drop this into home directory. Then, yeah, we can see app.rb, right? Then I detach the cable and attach the cable again. The app.rb automatically starts up. Now it is calculating the temperature and displays the data on the LCD every 1 second, and also you can see the same data on the terminal emulator. This is what R2P2 can do. Okay, now from now we are diving into hands-on. Please check all parts are ready. You should have all the parts. Jumper cable. Blue one is resistor, which is 10 kilo ohm, and brown ones you should have 3 resistor, which is 1 kilo ohm, and breadboard with Raspberry Pi Pico. Breadboard is this white one, and LCD, this liquid crystal display, and thermistor, temperature sensor. Then LED. If something's missing, please ask staff. Are you ready? Okay. By the way, you can take this kit home with you. It's a gift from iTalk, which is a research institute in Shimane Prefecture. Shimane Prefecture is the most beautiful prefecture in Japan, where Mats and I live. And this is the most important thing. Mutual support is essential for a successful workshop. Please help each other. And if you finish your hands-on task earlier, you'll be free and you'll be bored. But please help others. Okay, this is promise. Okay, let's go on to hands-on number one: set up and LED blinking. First, please open tinyurl.com/PicoRuby-setup. This page includes about setup and general information and troubleshooting. You will back to this page often today, I think. Then, when you finish your setup, continuously open the PicoRuby-LED page. Then try to hands-on number one. I think it will take about 30 minutes or so. We will be having 4 more hands-on for today, but this setup and hands-on one are crucial points. They are the most difficult points for today. So if you finish this PicoRuby LED easily, the rest of the thing is really easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So let's start, please. If you got trouble somehow, ask me or ask someone. I'll go to you. After the hands-on one section, we will have a short break. Has anyone finished hands-on one? Oh, nice. Please raise your hand if you finished hands-on one. One. Okay. Anyone still having trouble starting R2P2? Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh, 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 we will move on to the next hands-on 10 minutes after, from now, in 10 minutes. If you haven't finished yet, you can continue the hands-on one or setup, but let me move on to the next in 10 minutes. if you have difficulties to socket the register into the breadboard, I have one pinch. This would be helpful. Okay, if you're ready, the next hands-on hibernation. The next should be PicoRuby-RGB. Please go to that page if you can. If you cannot, that's okay. You'll be using PWM, which is another microcontroller peripheral. You can control the brightness of the LED by simulating analog-like wave by a digital component. And the keywords would be duty cycle and frequency. Please read the page carefully. We have 4 more hands-on, including this. So maybe until when we should finish? Excuse me. Until 1:13. So maybe we have 10 minutes or 15 minutes for each from now, for each hands-on section. I mean. if you saw out of memory OOM error on the console, please restart the PiPico, which means detaching the cable and attaching the cable. In this case, you don't need to press the white button. White button is supposed to be pushed when you install the RP2 R2P2 UF2 file. White button is not reset button. It's just selecting the boot button. The last one is PicoRuby UArt. In this section, you'll need to make a pair programming. Pair programming? No, it's not pair programming, but anyway, open the page. Oh. Yeah, shoot this page to restudy when you're back. These URLs are shortened URLs, and as you saw, these pages are written in the secret gist. So you should keep this. Plus, I'd like ask you one thing. Lastly, please stargaze out PicoRuby/PicoRuby. This keyboard is running with PicoRuby actually. Yeah, which is PRK firmware I told you before. If you are a keyboard lover, please use PRK firmware. Yeah, please Google it. Sorry? What keyboard? This keyboard? This keyboard is Lala 50, but this is available only in Japan, I think. Maybe you know CRKBD Corne, which is very famous separated keyboard. Of course, we have the firmware for the CRKBD in PicoRuby, PRK slash CRKBD, maybe. Yeah. You need to buy SparkFun Pro Micro, which is compatible with Raspberry Pi Pico, but the pin out is different. The pin layout is same as Arduino, maybe. Unfortunately, PicoRuby cannot run on Arduino because it is too small to run Ruby. I think it has 8 KB of RAM or so. It's too small, and 8-bit CPU is not eligible for running Ruby. But this SparkFun Pro Micro has RP2040 MCU, which is the same as the Raspberry Pi Pico. Nowadays, you can choose the microcontroller board as you wish. And about time to finish, I think. Have you enjoyed? Thank you very much, all. Thank you very much. Many apologies if you couldn't start R2P2 from the first time, but yeah, it is difficult to handle hardware. There are lot of combinations about hardware, cable, laptop, OS, and microcontroller board. So we sometimes have difficult problem, but I think 80% of people here could go through the hands-on sections, I think. Yeah, let's finish. Thank you very much.